Hey guys, this is Mr. Decker coming to you here in the lab. This is the orientation assignment with basic photo editing. So this is your first Learning Launcher assignment. This assignment is going to help you learn some basics on how to open up a Google Slides presentation, make a copy of it for editing, change the file name, and move it to your SmartLab folder in Google Drive. You'll also learn how to use the picsforlearning.com website, which we'll be using for SmartLab projects, as well as Microsoft Photo Editor, which is super simple and easy to use. So I'm providing a link to the Google Slides presentation you'll need to complete. There are 5 slides, but you only need to edit slides 2 through 5. You'll see what I mean when we get there. Just make sure you read and follow all the directions on the Learning Launcher page. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is open up this Google Slides presentation. The next thing we want to do is go to File, Make a Copy. You're going to change that SL SmartLab 1.01, and then you'll put both of your names here. So I'll put mine, but you need to put your name and your partner's name here. I'm just going to put my name on mine. I'll need to save it to my drive. And say OK here. And it's going to open up a new tab for you. And now this is an editable version of that file. So you can exit that tab and keep this one open. And now I'm going to go to File, Move to, and here it gives me a list of all my folders. So you should have already created your SmartLab folder, and it will show up in here. So I'm going to move it to SmartLab, click over, and if you've created subfolders like your orientation folder, you'd put it in your orientation folder. If you haven't made an orientation folder, this is how you do that on the fly. Right? So orientation folder is made, move it there. Now it's saved in that orientation folder. And if you've already shared your SmartLab folder and orientation folder with your partner, you both now have access to this, and you can both edit it. So the next thing we want to do is navigate over to the Liftoff Challenge. So I'm going to log out of my account and show you again how to log into yours. So you will go into the Learning Launcher, SmartLab Launchpad. You're going to put in Murph and Learn 12 or Learn 1.2, log in, Liftoff Challenge, Orientation, Liftoff Challenge, Basic Photo Editing with Photos for PC. And then you and your partner need to read through this, follow the directions, and go through it together. But before you do that, make sure you have gotten your orientation Google Slides open and you're ready to work through it. The next thing we want to do, it says here to go to picsforlearning.com to choose a picture. So let's do that. So picsforlearning.com, go here. I'm just going to pick a random picture. So let's go to space. Let's look at planets. And I'm just going to select, let's go with this first one. And I'm going to right click it, save image as. We're going to save this into our pictures folder. Solar System's a fine name for it. Make sure your pictures folder is selected, save. You'll see the download down there. And then we can go to our folder here. We can go, or this is the file picker, sorry, or file explorer. Go to pictures, double click on your photo. That automatically opens it up in Photos. And then you can go to Edit and Create, click on Edit, and then play around with all of these options in here. Flipping things around, changing aspect ratios, rotating, resetting things, and then going back up here, going to Enhance, and making adjustments there. Just play around with this, do it with a few photos, and make sure you're getting this done. Have fun with it. And once you have your photo ready, so let's say we've got the unedited photo, right? Copy image over here. On the second slide, it just wants you to copy and paste that image. You just want to size it so it fits in here. And then on this one, you'll save and insert your edited photo. So back over here, once you've got this edited and you like your results, whatever you've done to it, right, then save a copy of that. Make sure you get that saved. Save as, right? Pictures, solar system 2, save, yeah, close, cool. And then on this page, we need to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, Pictures folder, Solar System 2, open, and that's the edited version. The next page, I want you to find another picture that you like from picsforlearning.com from any category and get that added here after you've edited it. And then on this last page, tell me what you learned today. Once you're finished with that, you'll be able to get this saved and submitted in Moodle. You know how to do that, but let me just make sure. So you go to Add Submission, File Submission from Google Drive, log into your account, and just do a search up here, SL1.01. It finds it for you, select the file, save changes, and then it's submitted for you. And that's it.